crossed into each other after the fan. Besides staying close for mutual support, being unpredictable confuses their attackers. Keep your eyes on the Skytypers as they demonstrate another one of their unique methods of converting 5 separate aircraft back into a single formation as quickly and as safely as possible. All military aircraft, including the jet team, use this rejoin technique. A majority of our pilots earn their wings through military service in the United States Navy, the United States Air Force, and the United States Marine Corps. These aircraft are operated most of the year in the New York metro area and are based right here at Republic Airport in Farmingdale, just 9 miles behind us.